Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. I am so excited to be unboxing today Winter DecoCrated 2020. So this is not the Christmas box. This is the winter box. The winter box does come in the annual subscription. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and you click the subscribe button below. If you also want to get super zesty, head over to Instagram and follow me there. I do my main unboxing videos here and show off main subscription boxes and products here on YouTube. However, the daily behind the scenes and how-tos are taking place on my blog and on Instagram. So at the pink envelope, just like here, you can find me over at Instagram. Really guys, make sure to like and subscribe here so that I can continue to bring you awesome videos like I am now. DecoCrated is a home decor subscription box. If you've been around here at all, you already know all that I'm about to say. I love this box. It comes 4 times a year in your traditional subscription. The boxes are $79.99 each, or you can do an entire year, all 4 boxes for $287.99, which knocks the price down to only $71.99. But I have coupons. If you enter pink envelope 10, you get $10 off 1 box. If you enter pink envelope 30, you get $30 off a year. So automatically saving you 2 times over on money if you do the annual subscription with my coupon. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end because we're gonna unbox the products inside. I'm gonna talk about a great way to decorate sustainably and very cost efficiently. And then I'm gonna show you how I plug in all of the items from this box alongside my 2019 box, plus my sustainable fall decor that I'm converting into winter decor, which means I'm gonna decorate that entire mantle for nothing more than the cost of this box. So you get 6 to 8 home decor items inside the box. And as you can see, this is a big box. It actually isn't. The fall box was about this tall. So there's a lot of really good, big, usable home decor inside. And that's what I'm gonna show you guys today. This is the winter box, and the reason I keep distinguishing that is this year they are offering a Christmas exclusive box. Now, if you wanna see the Christmas exclusive box, it is an add-on. It is for members only, but it is at a discounted rate also. The pre-sale for that is already ended, so they will have a 1-day flash sale. And the reason I'm saying 1 day is because those flash sales typically last like a couple of hours. They go so fast. Hopefully I will be revealing that as well. More to come on that. This was my favorite subscription box in 2019, and I have to say it's trending that way for 2020 also. I absolutely love it. I think the thing I love the most is there's a community behind the box. You just don't buy this box and get stuff inside and be like, oh, well, that's it. There are Facebook groups to hang out on. There's Facebook groups where people are hacking the pieces they get into other things. There's a marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade. It's really a decorating family, and I love it because I hang out on the walls and get ideas on how to decorate. I have already opened this box. It comes with a box with boxes inside. I've already opened all that. On top, you will always see this guy. It is the magazine describing the items inside and your double-sided printed art. Most of us keep a frame that we just pop this in and swap it. Inside here, it talks about all of the pieces inside. It talks about how to use the pieces. In the beginning, it talks about the designers who custom designed each of these pieces for this box. So yes, all of this stuff is custom and exclusive to DecoCrated. And now for what's inside the box. I'm actually gonna show you the best piece of the entire box, in my opinion, first. It is a sleigh or a sled shelf. It actually hangs on the top, but it also will lay flat as well. It is metal and wood, and it is so cute. I opened this in advance so I could work on designing and decorating with this. So if you stay with the video, I'll show you how I use each of these pieces. But I wish y'all could have seen my reaction when I pulled this out. I was so freaking excited. So here is this guy, and he is wonderful. We're gonna shimmy the box as I add these pieces up here. One thing that I have seen a lot of y'all asking, and y'all have told me about, is getting framed art with no words on it. So if you think about the fall box, it had all of the sayings on it. Here is a framed art with no words on it. It does have the hanger on the back so you can hang it, but you could also use it as a tray. So this was a big request that you guys made that DecoCrated answered. Okay, let me slide. Where should I slide this? I'm gonna slide it down here. Then inside, that could go on this shelf or not, is a calendar system. So this guy actually has, this lid comes off and these come out. And they have all of the days of the week, all of the months of the year, plus the days. And so I have on here today's date. But isn't that so cute? This one is even a decorative one. I was super excited about this because this is obviously goes beyond the holiday. This can be left up year round. And I love, 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 love that. What do I want to show you guys next? Aren't these so cute? A little village. The little village can go on your shelf. It can go on your tray. It can go anywhere. It's so cute. If you stay tuned towards the end of this video, when I show you how I decorated with these pieces, I'll show you how I did a deco hack on these pieces. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. So I have to admit, this piece at first stumped me for a little bit. But after I got to decorating, I fell in love with this piece. So you'll have to stay tuned to the end of this video to see what I did with this piece and how I used it. And I went back and forth, like, do I want to do it in a star? Do I want to do it in a snowflake? Like, really, you don't have to keep with this. So are y'all catching a pattern in the colors and like the woods and the wood tones? I love it. And I love this because they did add some color. We got a pillowcase and we got a lumbar pillow. And so this is not the first time this is a lumbar pillow. If you already have the lumbar from last box, that's fine. If you're brand new, down in the show notes and on my blog is all of the stats of the pillowcase that I ordered that I love the best that fits inside. It is double-sided, and this side over here is extraordinarily soft, super uber soft. So we got a pillowcase this time. With this box, I highly, highly recommend that you swing down below and take a peek at this box plus last year's box. Because in my decor that I'm about to show you, I want to say that it did not happen on its first round. And I'm going to have photos on my blog of what my 2019 winter fireplace mantle looked like versus now. It's almost like I'm cheating because I've had a subscription for 2 years now. My mantle is off the hook because I have 2 boxes to work with. So don't despair if you look at some of us who have these more full and ornate mantles. More than likely we've had a couple of boxes to work with, so we're kind of cheating. You will get there too, which I just buy the annual every time. Buy the annual, use a coupon because I don't want to have to worry about renewals and are they going to sell out? Buy the annual, you can add on the add-on boxes as you want. You will notice in the 2019 that there's more Christmas, whereas this is more winter theme. So if you do not celebrate Christmas, maybe you want to do Christmas differently, this is the winter box. And this is very much, does a great job, in my opinion, of targeting winter colors and winter themes. To help make your dollar go further, I made and DIY'd my decor that I added into this box based on sustainability. I wanted to use sustainable products, things that I already had in my home or in my yard to decorate with, so that one, I'm being kind to planet Earth. 2020 really, really needs that. And 2, I'm saving money, which means I now have money to spend on the Christmas add-on box. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I decorated my mantle using the 2019 box, the 2020 box, and stuff I could find around my house. Okay, let me round this stuff up and let's go decorate. Okay, here is how I deco hack the little houses. Just take double-sided tape and stick a piece of tape down each side of the house as I've done here. Go buy some of this snow. I got it 50% off at Hobby Lobby. That means I spent about $2 on this entire bag. And just pour it on. I kind of pat it in because I like a thick snow layer. There you go. And you're done. You have a snow-covered rooftop. All right, before we decorate, I want to show you the fall leaves. This is a fall leaf garland that I made with nothing more than floral wire and gathering the leaves out in my backyard. If you are interested in learning or seeing how I made that, go down below. I have a link to my blog post where there's step-by-step how to build this garland so you can enjoy it through fall and then obviously convert it to winter. So let's go decorate.